Meet the BMW X1, an SUV packed with style, innovation, and power. In this video, we'll highlight some features of this X1 that help define the ultimate driving machine. A great example? The Smart Opener, a comfort access feature designed to make loading and unloading cargo a breeze, especially when your hands are full. By lining up your knee with the center of the rear bumper and moving your foot with one swift motion, you can access the trunk without needing to fumble for keys or press any buttons. When you need to close the trunk, just use the same motion and the trunk will close effortlessly. Please note that vehicles that are equipped with the trailer hitch do not have the Smart Opener feature. In our X vehicles, settings for the tailgate can be customized through Vehicle Settings. Scroll to Doors and Windows, then press Tailgate. From here, you can set the opening height. If you prefer to disable the Smart Open feature entirely, you can toggle the open and close feature separately. Comfort is a key component to your driving experience, and the X1 offers the ultimate accommodation. Let's take a look at how to get the most out of the climate control system. The climate control system is operated through the central display screen. Tap the fan icon on the bottom menu bar to access the full range of settings. For manual adjustments, you can choose from presets like front vents, footwell, or windshield. Use the max defrost or air circulation buttons for quick windshield defogging or cabin ventilation. These features optimize airflow and temperature to clear fog and refresh the cabin quickly. For effortless comfort, rely on auto climate control. Once you set your preferred temperature, the system automatically adjusts airflow, heating, or cooling to maintain a consistent cabin environment, just like your home thermostat. Fan speed can also be adjusted to achieve maximum comfort. To set your desired cabin temperature, use the plus and minus next to the indicated temperature. Your BMW features dual-zone climate control, so you and your passenger can each set your individual preferences. Heated seats and heated steering wheel, when equipped, are key to staying warm during colder months. You can choose between 3 heating levels or set seat and steering wheel heating to auto-activate based on outside temperature. Your BMW provides a convenient way to wirelessly charge your mobile device. It's perfect for powering up your phone while keeping your focus on the road. Using features like Apple CarPlay or Android Auto may result in slower charging speeds. The mobile phone reminder will notify you if you happen to leave your device in the charging tray. Go to System Settings, then Wireless Charging Tray to toggle it on. Make sure to close the holding bracket to begin charging and to secure your device. Your BMW will detect the device and begin charging automatically. A charging icon on your phone's screen confirms it's working. On occasion, the central information display may need a reset. Performing a reset is simple and can resolve a multitude of issues, such as abnormal software performance, unresponsive controls, or connectivity issues. With the vehicle turned on, simply press and hold the volume wheel for about 30 seconds. Once the screen goes black, you can release the wheel and wait for the system to fully restart. The central information display is now reset and ready to perform optimally. If you experience any type of connectivity issue with your phone and your BMW, first, try to resolve it by powering your personal device off, then back on. If needed, take steps to re-establish a Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay or Android Auto connection. Sometimes, after a phone update, it is important to remove and then repair your device. To remove a device from the existing list, just tap the device and then scroll until you see Remove Device. To completely reset the connection, remove the vehicle from your phone. Before repairing your phone, ensure that Bluetooth is enabled. Tap the menu icon, then Mobile Devices, then Connect New Device. You can connect by selecting your phone on the display or selecting your BMW on your phone. Follow the prompts, ensuring that the 6-digit pairing request code that's displayed on your phone matches the one shown on the screen. Once connected, you can allow contacts and favorites to sync. Then, choose to simply use Bluetooth or Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Your phone is now paired with your BMW. Remote Software Upgrade is a stress-free way to get the newest functions and features and ensures that your BMW's onboard systems are running the latest and greatest software. Staying up to date has never been easier thanks to the My BMW app. As long as you've allowed push notifications on your phone, you'll be notified when a remote software upgrade is available for your BMW. If an upgrade is available, once it's ready to download, a pop-up notification will appear at the end of your drive, letting you know that it's ready to be installed after you're safely parked. For this demonstration, let's get started. To manually check for an update within the app, tap Check Status, and then tap Remote Software Upgrade. To check through iDrive, select System Settings and scroll to Remote Software Upgrade. It generally takes about 20 minutes for an update to complete, and the car will need to remain parked during the update. If it's more convenient, you can schedule it to take place on a specific date and time. Or you can select Let's Get Started, and then Confirm, and finally, Start Installation. Let's go for a drive. When you take the wheel of the BMW X1, you'll feel assured knowing you have the latest safety features and technology. Lane Keeping Assistant is an advanced safety system that is part of the Active Driving Assistance suite and uses cameras to monitor the road's lane markings. If your vehicle begins to stray out of its intended lane, the system will alert you, helping you to avoid potential collisions or unsafe maneuvers. This feature is activated by default. To confirm it's enabled, tap Driver Settings, select Driver Assistance, then Safety and Warnings, and confirm that Lane Departure Warning is switched on. You can choose how sensitive the engagement of the system is. You can also turn the steering intervention on or off if you do not want the vehicle to correct the lane deviation. Remember that Lane Departure Warning is a driving assistance tool. It's not a substitute for your attention on the road. If you'd like, you can temporarily disable or turn off the Auto Start-Stop function during a drive. Toggling the gear selector to S or L mode allows the engine to keep running during a quick left-hand turn across traffic or during parking maneuvers. To disable Auto Start-Stop during a drive, swipe down from the top of the central information display and select Disable. Alternatively, you can press the Driving Settings menu button in the central control stack and select the Disable Auto Start-Stop tile. Lastly, utilizing the My Modes button, Auto Start-Stop is disabled when the Sport Driving mode is selected. Automatic Park Assistant makes parking stress-free. This feature helps you find a spot and assists in the parking maneuver. Automatic Park Assistant is designed to locate parallel, perpendicular, or diagonal parking spaces, whether parking forward or reversing into a spot. Let's take a look at how it works. To get started, simply press the Parking Assistant button located on the center console. Once activated, your BMW will begin scanning for a suitable parking space as you drive. The system will only recognize the space once you've fully driven past it. When a suitable space is found, a chime will sound, and available options will appear on the screen. Come to a complete stop, and then confirm the type of parking maneuver you prefer for the scenario. The system expertly handles steering, acceleration, braking, and gear shifts to park your vehicle with precision and ease as long as you are buckled up. If you engage the steering wheel or accelerator pedal, it will override the process. If you prefer to go at a slower pace, you can use the brake while the parking process continues. Once the parking maneuver is complete, your BMW will automatically shift into park and display a notification. When it's time to leave, the Automatic Park Assistant can be used to position the vehicle so it can safely pull out of the parking spot in the desired direction. The BMW X1, a compilation of innovation, craftsmanship, and technology that defines the ultimate driving machine.